Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing a review on these Shea Moisture products. This tutorial is going to be about how I remove my foundation and all my makeup off my face. Luckily for me, I got some good products from Shea Moisture. Shout out to Shea Moisture for sending me these products. So I have the Shea Moisture Matcha Green Tea and Probiotic Transforming Clay to Cleanser. Clay to Cream Cleanser. So shout out to them for sending me that. I also got this soothing eye cream, and then I got this soothing toner and hydrating mist. So these are the three things that they sent me. And it all has matcha green tea, and it's made with fair trade ingredients, certified organic and natural. My favorite. I don't know if you guys care about like what you put in your skin or on your skin. I do. And I love organic, non-GMO stuff. It's not organic or non-GMO, but I'm excited to try it. So yeah. And to begin, when I remove my makeup, first I take off my lashes. I already took off my lashes. But then I take a little bit of jojoba oil. Now jojoba oil is for cleansing clogged pores, and also it's good for moisturizing. But I use it as a makeup remover. It's a great oil for a makeup remover, and plus it doesn't leave my skin feeling extra oily or whatever. So I'm just gonna take this makeup off. As you can see, I'm just gonna take a little bit of my jojoba oil. Okay, so as you can see, I rubbed all that makeup off with my jojoba oil. Now I'm just gonna take like pretty much a little dry towel. This towel is not wet or anything. It's literally just a regular dry towel. So I'm gonna take the dry towel. And just wipe my face off. As you can see, all the makeup pretty much comes off. See that? Like literally, all my makeup came off. See? And I'm gonna take, for this it says massage clay onto dry skin, add water, and watch as the cleanser transforms to cream as you lather. Rinse well, follow with matcha green tea and probiotic soothing toner. So it says put this onto dry skin. So I just wipe all that oil off of my face. This is way too much. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Sorry. It's basically a mask. It turns into cream after you add water. Oh gosh, so I just washed all my makeup off. My skin looks amazing. It feels so clean, it feels so fresh. Like, this is the truth. Like, look at that. Again, I just use a transforming clay to cream cleanser. I'm gonna take a little bit of my smoothing toner and hydrating spray. Show you that. I'm gonna just take a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna spray my face. It really smells too much like anything, which I like that because I don't like when my facial stuff smells too strong, too fragrancy. So this concentrated facial toner with antioxidant rich matcha green tea helps balance redness prone skin without stripping the skin. So I don't have redness prone tint. My skin doesn't turn red, but if your skin turns red, this is perfect for you. Of course, I'm too brown for my skin to turn red. Now I don't really need this. It says it's for redness prone skin. Again, I don't have redness prone skin, but if you do, this is perfect for you. A little bit of this soothing eye cream with milk thistle. That's what it looked like outside the package. I'm literally taking a little deep to your eyes. And there you have it, guys, my night care going to bed routine featuring Shea Moisture. I love all these products, so thank you guys so much for sending them to me. My skin looks great, as you can see, and I'm about to go to sleep right now. Make sure you like, subscribe, and like and share. Thank you guys again for watching.